How to change language on Gmail. In this video, I'll show you how to change language on Gmail. So to get started, go ahead and open gmail.com into your browser, sign in to your Google Mail account, and then once you're signed in, go ahead and click on the settings icon, which you'll find at the top right of your screen in between the apps section and the help button. So once you click on it, you'll be able to summon the settings. So in here, scroll down and then go ahead and click on see all settings, and that will take you here. So under the language section, go ahead and set the Gmail display language into your preferred language. So you can find that here. And then once you scroll down, you can go ahead and save the changes, and then Gmail will reload and all of the items on your Google Mail account will be translated into the language that you've just selected. And that is how you can basically change language on Gmail.